Welcome back to the garage apartment conversion. This video probably should have been part of the last video where we did the bathroom framing, because this is still part of the bathroom framing, but the last video was running kind of long, so I decided to separate it out. In this video we're going to be putting in ceiling joists in the bathroom and also bracing one of the walls. Since the ceiling span isn't that great, we're able to use 2x4s to make the ceiling joists. I'm going to a lot of effort here to make these rim joists nice and flush. I ended up cutting the ceiling joists a little too long, which made all that flushing up the rim joists kind of a waste of time. Because that little bit of extra length there, when I hammer them into place, you can see here in just a second, I pushed those band joists right over the edge. And now not only are they not square, they're not flush, so I'm going to have to cut back these joists and do this over again. To stabilize the bathroom walls, we let in some bracing. You can either plunge cut from the sides or kerf it and chip it out. plunge cutting is way faster and not as hard on saw blades. Trim a little bit more off. We double check the walls for plumb before nailing the brace. That's it right there. This simple 1x4 brace makes the wall so much stronger. Here we're adding a bit more blocking. This wasn't flush, so we fix it. Close enough. Now we frame the bathroom door rough opening. This is where the header should go.
You could have even done it with shorter pieces.
Nail it in there good, Dave. Easy fix. I just love to watch how smoothly this sawdust ejects. Well, that's about it for this one. I'm not sure what's coming next. Probably either electrical or plumbing related. Plumbing, I bet. Thanks as always for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.